Rockford Chimney Supply presents the Rockvent Double Wall Stovepipe to Class A Adapter Product Overview. When connecting the Rockvent Universal Male Adapter directly to a double wall stovepipe, as you can see here, it doesn't make a tight connection. The male end of the Universal Male Adapter is not long enough to fully seat into the female end of the double wall black stovepipe. Using the Rockvent double wall stove adapter to Class A adapter allows the male end of the Universal Male Adapter to fully seat in the female end of the double wall stovepipe to Class A adapter. And as you can see here, the Universal Male Adapter is a much tighter connection into the Rockvent double wall black stovepipe to Class A adapter. Now the male end of the double wall stovepipe to Class A adapter makes a perfect fit to the female end of a double wall stovepipe section. Keep in mind that the Rockvent double wall stovepipe to Class A adapter is only going to be compatible with the Rockvent double wall black stovepipe. If you still have questions about the Rockvent double wall black stovepipe to Class A adapter, feel free to give one of Rockford Chimney Supply's certified technicians a call. You can contact them toll-free at 866-708-2446 or visit us at www.rockfordchimneysupply.com. From all of us here at Rockford Chimney Supply, stay safe and stay warm by the fire.